Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you how we converted our cool box into an isotherm compressor conversion kit, the kind of thingy. Unfortunately I haven't got any video, just took pictures instead, which on YouTube doesn't look all that fun, so I just want to apologize beforehand, and hope you enjoy the video and you learn something from it. Take care.
This is the cold plate. It's really messy. I haven't had time to clean it up yet, but as you can see, it's quite a snug fit. Distant out by the spacers down here. That screw down there is for the temperature probe. Goes to the compressor or the controller for the compressor. I had to, as you saw earlier, fill up the hole, and that's the plastic piece right here, and fitted it with the silicone. And after that I did this. As you can see, the result isn't perfect, but it's good enough, I think. Down here is where the compressor is. As you can see, it's quite the mess as of now. See the holes for where I spread in the insulation or the expanding foam. So I had to do something about the wiring. It really looks terrible. Yep, that's it.